What's going on, guys? Welcome to another Good Guys First Looks. Today we're going to take a look at the iJoy Zenith 3. So if you guys remember iJoy, they recently came out with the PD270 Diamond Kit. That one was pretty cool. Everything's pretty cool with me. And let's see on the back, let's see what makes this different. So right off the bat, product features max wattage, 360 watts. I know that's not gonna happen just off of 18650s. And first thing I caught here is dual 2700 batteries, mod with longer battery life. They didn't word that the greatest, but semi-mechanical high power box mod, 360 degree adjustable voltage knob. Oh, so they actually did what looks like somewhat of a potentiometer on the front of that. Let's see, 16 voltage levels, adjustable. All right. These don't really make too much sense. So what comes in the kit? Let's see. One iJoy Zenith 3 box mod. We have mesh coils that go from 40 to 90 watts. Okay. We have the Diamond sub-ohm tank. One 18650 adapter, one 510 drip tip adapter, replacement glass, tool pick. We'll take a look at that. Just a manual, warranty card, and USB cable. So let's get up close, see what's inside the box of goodies. All right, so we're gonna open the box up. Let's see what's inside. Let's toss that to the side. Okay, so let's open this thing up and see the mod inside. And there it is. Okay, I like the purple. Purple's actually my favorite color. I'm not too much of a fan of the potentiometer, which, I mean, this might be a demo kit, so I'm not going to be too hard on them. This might not be the final product. This is very wobbly button, which right off the bat, if someone was to buy, it seems like it's not very sturdy. But let's take it out of the box. Here is our Diamond tank. I like this tank. Good airflow. I've tried the coils with the PD270 kit before. I like the glass. I don't know if we can actually see this, but the glass has almost like a pearlescent to it. I see like a green, blue, pink to it. Yeah, let's see what else is inside this box. And nothing else in the box, but there's stuff in here. I believe this is where our AT650 adapter is. We got some O-rings and the 510 drip tip adapter. We have the DM coil. It's a mesh coil. I can see that on the inside. Spare glass. This one is actually different. The original one they give you actually has like a bubble to it. This is just a straight replacement glass, almost like what the TFV12 Prince comes with. Oh, surprise, surprise. Something that you don't see too often. 2700 batteries. That's a nice little plus. If you're buying the kit, depending on the store you're getting it from or where you pick them up from, some kits might actually come with the batteries. That's pretty cool. Then we have the manuals, warranty info, and USB cable. Enough of this boring stuff. Let's vape this thing. Let's have some fun with it. I like the box. It's not too big. Has a nice little design to it. Kind of sleek. Okay, so on the front of the Zenith 3 box here, we have the USB. I would still recommend, especially the 2700 batteries. They normally charge on a 2 amp. I'd actually recommend charging them with an external charger. So it looks like here, it's kind of a potentiometer type of feel to it. Kind of clicky. The button, again, it's not the most, let's see. If I wiggle this just right, you guys will be able to see. The button is not really that sturdy. It actually, trying to see if we can see it there, but it's not. It almost wobbles. There you go, you can hear it. It's not really that smooth. It does click, but yeah, no, I don't know. We'll see how it works when we throw batteries in it before I just judge it right off the bat. Let's see the insides. So we pop that open, 2700 capable. Let's throw those batteries in. All right, so this one we have the positive up. I'm gonna wrap my little ribbon here to help pull the batteries out. Wrap that under, positive in. There we go. Then we're gonna wrap that over the other way, positive down on this side. There we go. Unlike our other video, this one's not gonna talk to us, thank God. You know what? Now that I'm looking at this thing, one thing that does kind of bother me, do you guys notice there's no screen? So, I mean, there's no battery level, there's no wattage or anything. I mean, you got the voltage, I guess, but no like screen, nothing. Doesn't tell me what the battery's like. I'm guessing the lights right here kind of tell me what's good with the battery, but I'd appreciate a screen. It's just a little easier, a little quicker. Nice little glance. It could have been somewhere on the side here, something like that. iJoy, call me if you want help on the design for mods. And yeah, let's check out the tank. Okay, so here we have it. The beautiful Diamond tank. Really, really like the drip tip they actually gave us with this. Almost like a honeycombs carbon fiber type of feel to it. I don't know what to call that. A little bit of a resin, but very nice. Wide bore, clicks right in. And opening this thing, you just grab the top. Let's give it a twist. And it popped right off, and it's only got a couple threads. It's actually internally threaded here. Got the nice wide filling holes there. Just close that back up. Right now, preloaded in the tank is the mesh coil, so we're gonna give that a try. Let's go ahead and fill this thing up. I mean, obviously you guys got the airflow control, and yeah, let's fill it up. See how this thing vapes. All right, so now that we went through it, what was in the box, we took a look at the mod. We're gonna go ahead and try it out. A couple things I actually wanted to go over that I might have missed. So I know we read the back of the box and it said the max wattage was 360 watts. but there's a couple things wrong here that make me not really want to try it out. One, the coils don't go up that high. They're best used between 40 and 90. Both coils actually, the one that comes pre-installed and the one that is in the box. And also there's no screen on here and it doesn't actually tell me the wattage. So if I was to put a dripper on here, I don't know if it can actually hit a true 360 watts with 2700 batteries. So we're not going to test it out, but I mean, if you guys pick up the device and you want to send us a reply or comment in the comments, let us know that you put a dripper on there and it hits like a truck, you're more than welcome to. Colors. This is going to be available in what they're calling mirror gold, mirror blue, mirror green. Everything's mirror. Stainless steel, red, rainbow, and purple. This would be, I believe, the mirror purple. Has that nice glossy mirror finish to it. I really like the tank and how it's that pearliness to the glass, almost like an oil slick to it. Just to let you guys know, I did use VRK 2700s. I didn't use the iJoy ones that came with it because I actually had them charging already. The ones that right out of the box do not come pre-charged. Again, it's a first looks, so I don't know exactly what everything means. I'm guessing that's the voltage, the adjustable voltage they mentioned on the box. See, it's set to 2.7 right now. So let's see, 2.7, see how it vapes. It's tasty. Okay. No talking, but it actually does make a noise when you switch, call it a dial or potentiometer. It just goes. That's pretty cool. You would go clockwise. So from 2.7, 3.3, we're just gonna jump to 3.9, see how that is. That's an angry one. What I just realized that bothers me about this thing, it has potentiometer that gives you voltage output, I believe, but the wattage range is what they give you with the coil. It doesn't actually tell you on the box. It says pre-installed is the DM mesh coil at 0.15 ohms, best used at 40 to 90 watts. But as a consumer, if you just pick this up and you're like into vaping, but you just don't know everything, so nobody knows everything, but how are you supposed to know how far you can turn that dial up without burning out your coil? That would be a nice little thing for them to include in the box, saying 40, 90 watts is from, you know, probably 3.9 to 4.5 or something like that on the dial. Just a little thought there. Mesh coils just seem to be like the new thing. They're putting off really good flavor. We used mesh with rebuildables a while back when vaping was a little newer, and now they're throwing them in these tanks and they're doing wonders. The other thing I like a lot too is the upcoming flaxseed. I saw Horizon Tech threw that in one of their coils. I'd like to see more companies try that out, see if maybe they can get it to be just as good as mesh. Let's turn it up a little bit more. If I get a dry hit, this is gonna be great. That's at 4.5. You saw me prime the coil, filled it, I just started vaping it. It was probably sitting in there for no longer than 10 seconds, 15 seconds, and it's keeping up. That's a strong 6. I'm gonna turn that back down. 4.5, I'm starting to get a little bit of what feels like a dry hit, so I don't wanna keep pushing it. 4.5 seems to be the max with that mesh coil. 45 to 90 watts is the recommended. So 4.5 seems to be the cutoff with that coil. 40 to 90 watts best used. I would like to see somewhat of a little screen integrated on the side there. Even if it's just something, I guess, that would work with the button. As you turned up the button, it showed you the wattage and how that coexisted in the mod. I don't think it's a finished product, I would say, but I think it is a really, really awesome product. I would just say a couple improvements on it, and I think it'd be great for everyone. Right now, it would be good for someone who's willing to sit there and figure out, okay, 40, 90 watts, let me use my Ohm's law chart and figure out what that is voltage-wise and what the output would need to be to match that. So I think we covered pretty much everything, guys. We went through it, filled it up, vaped it, talked about it. I had fun. Thank you guys very much for always watching our videos. We really do appreciate it. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment below, say what's up. We'll comment back. And yeah, also make sure you hit that little notification button so you know when the next video comes out. And we'll see you on the next Good Guy First Looks. See you later.